Hello everyone, welcome back to the Motivation Medicos. My name is Prince Tiwari, and in this video we are gonna talk about the drugs causing hyperkalemia. So it is gonna very easy with the help of mnemonic. For that you just have to watch this video till the end. So without wasting a time, let's get started. So the mnemonic we have, that is K positive bank. Alright. K positive bank is the the mnemonic, so I'm just gonna write it out. So just take K plus, first of all, after that B, A, N, and the last one, that is K. So right now, okay, I'm just gonna write it out, the name of that. So first of all, we have a KCL supplements. I'm writing over here KCL supplements. And the another one, from the B, we do have a beta blockers. So in the beta blockers we have an example, that is propranolol. I'm just writing over here, that is propranolol. All right. And from the A, we have a ACE inhibitors. All right. And the examples we do have from the ACE inhibitor, that is captopril. I'm just writing over here, that is captopril. All right. And from the N, we have a NSAIDs, and the example we have, that is aspirin. And from the last one, that is K, so we do have a K positive sparing diuretics. So the example we do have, that is spironolactone. I'm just writing over here, that is spironolactone. All right. So these are the drugs that is causing hyperkalemia. So with the help of K positive bank, you can easily learn the drugs. So the first of all, okay, from the K positive we have the KCL supplements, and from the B we have a beta blockers. In the example we do have a propranolol, and from the A we have a ACE inhibitor. Example we do have a captopril, and from the N we have a NSAIDs, and the example we do have a aspirin. And from the K we do have a K positive sparing diuretics. In the example we do have a spironolactone. All right. So these are the drugs that are causing the hyperkalemia. I hope this video has given you the good understanding about it. If you really like this video, so please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, so that if I will upload the video in future, so you will be able to get the notification, and share this video as much as you can. As always, thanks for watching.